Hey guys, so I have decided that I'm gonna do Vlogmas. At the moment, all I'm doing is just cleaning my room. I'm about to show you guys what my room is looking like. I don't know if this should be on YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys what my room is looking like. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it, what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna be going out to a few places, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna put on some chapstick because my lips are crusty. Guys, this is bad. So as soon as you walk in, you see my dirty laundry. All of this. My bed. That mess. And my garbage. Yeah. So I will be completely cleaning all of this. And this is me right now. I look crazy. But this is December 1st, Vlogmas day 1. We're gonna get it done. Before I pick up anything, I'm about to turn some music on. But that's exactly what to do. That's alright, so this is the floor now. This is clean. Like literally that's all paint, so it makes my floor look so dirty. I'm going to mop tomorrow, and then that's my bed. Literally I have to fold all that stuff up, make up my bed, and I'm about to go to the store to get more drawers because this looks like a scattered mess. This is me right now. Ooh, almost fell. Yeah, so we are about to go to the store. I need to take out the trash and, you know, just run some errands really quick. So let's go. Vlogmas day one. It's so weird because I was not gonna do Vlogmas. I haven't been recording anything for my channel. Long story, but I decided I was gonna do it. I'm sorry if you hear that yelling. My dad's watching a football game or basketball. I honestly don't know. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Some random shoes, my Old Navy jogging pants, and then I go to JRCC college, so this is one of the shirts I'm wearing. And then my long coat, this green coat is from H&M, and my hair is styled by me. Styled. I honestly just washed it today and put some products in it and just been rocking it like this. But yeah, let's go, guys. So we're recording. We're about to, this is my young brother, by the way. I'm vlogging for Vlogmas. I'm about to take him to and his friends somewhere. Yeah, y'all stay tuned.
You know, I want to put the vlog on them. Someone follow me vlog.
He's so annoying. So dark over here. Wait, you gotta get this box.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's that?
It gotta go to trash. Trash. Nope. Alright, Dad.
No, it ain't. Is that a camera?
Yeah. These his friends.
Yeah,
Let's go. Alright, I have made it to my local Family Dollar. They only have these. I already have these at home. I need something larger for all of my stuff. Ooh, this is on sale for $7 because there's a crack in it. Do you see that sign? Okay, I can take it. $7. And then I guess I'll get two. Because if you see that price, it's $12 and I'm trying to be cheap. That's why I came here. I don't need another mirror. I don't need another mirror. I have like 10,000. But this is really cute. So, yeah. I think that is all they have. Alright, that's not gonna clear up. Well, since that's not gonna clear up, I'm at Pain for Sale and I'm about to get my belly button ring taken out. It's so dark. It's really dark. Okay, I'm about to get my second belly button ring taken out. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean when I get home. I have one taken out and I put a pregnancy bar, but I could not get my second bar out. So I'm about to have them do it and hopefully I can buy another bar because the one I ordered from Body Candy, I ordered the wrong size. So now I just have one pregnancy bar and then one regular bar that's low-key hurting. So, yep, I'm about to go get that done. I'm only recording this outside because I already know they don't do cameras. I usually go to Screaming Needle, but that's really far at the moment and I'm tired of driving. Because I've been driving all night. Yeah, so I'm about to go in and then when I get home I'll show you guys what I had them do. Yeah, hopefully they can do it though. Okay, I am home. I literally, let me zoom out, just bought another one of these. I got one of these just so I can take all the stuff that's up there and right here and place it in there and in this lovely container I got. Okay. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about. So this is the one I already took out And then I have a belly button ring that starts right here and ends right here. He's kicking hard. If you don't know, I call him my little bear. My little bear is kicking very, very hard. Yeah, so all I did was go to the shop and he took it out because it was so hard for me to take out. I don't know why. I had me and my boyfriend both try it. But yeah, that's really it. I just went to bodycandy.com and ordered another pregnancy bar. I don't know why I want to keep mine, but I do. And there was that lovely mark that we all, or most of us, get. I have one down here as well. Come on, zoom, or not zoom, focus. Have the mark down here, and then my tattoo. Alright, enough of exposing, you guys. I am about to fold all this mess that's underneath my jacket and then eat my burrito. I went to Adobe because I've been wanting a burrito for like a week now, and I finally got it. Okay guys, it's very yellow in my bathroom. I'm just gonna end the vlog here just because I have so much to prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, December 2nd, and whew, I have so much to prepare for. I'm sorry I can't be more specific enough, but yeah, good night. I will see you guys tomorrow.